Hey there, everybody. Today is October 7th. Um, Market wrapped up last week, and I've been enjoying a little bit of downtime, recuperation. Um, yeah, life continues on. We've done our second to last mow for this season, and have used all of those clippings to mulch some of the garden beds. You can see that we've removed the squash in the rows that crept into the lawn behind me. Um, the ducks have very much enjoyed the not quite ripe squashes, but with the ending of market season, um, we are entering a period where I'm looking to try to sell you folks some plants. Um, this is part of what we're trying to do. So as of the time of this video being live, the website has been redone. Takes an excessive amount of energy for me to be able to work on it because I just can't sit in front of a computer without getting frustrated for any length of time anymore. So painstakingly updated the website, hopefully made it more streamlined. And we've added several of our herbaceous perennial plants. We are going to be offering some of the aronia seedlings that we've been growing in our air prune box, and a portion of those will be held for us to be able to plant out here for our gardens so that we can gain even more experience with them, be able to offer more insight, and hopefully recipes and things as they come into a productive age. But so we have comfreys, mint, some monarda. I'm hoping to do a very, very slight offering of some of our sunchokes. The Jerusalem artichoke. I believe the one that did really well this year is red fuseau, but I have to check notes. And yeah, the woody perennials that we've been growing, I do have a number of people around here that we're working on some projects with, who are going to allow us to film while we do it, and give us an opportunity to talk about designing for other things besides what we're doing specifically. And I thought that might be a nice treat. So we're hanging on to a few of those. The woody perennials I'm probably going to keep either for like local cuttings for the winter market maybe, or just plant out here and try to keep that momentum going. So yeah, if you guys feel like it, come buy some plants. We're trying an app on the website that is supposed to enable us to offer discount on bundles and such things. But as this is the first year we're really running it, I don't know for sure that it's going to work perfectly. So we will be reviewing these. We've still got some time. It's like 75 degrees out right now, so we have some time before the plants really start going to sleep for the season, even though some of them have started looking like it. So it'll be some time left. We'll make sure that we go through any orders we do receive and make sure that your pricing is accurate and that your quantity is correct. In the off chance that we have a gangbusters moment, if your order is at the back and our functionality for quantities is not working correctly, I do apologize in advance. We will do our best to find a way to make your order complete, but there's a good chance that I'll have to do some back-end stuff on the computer to manage those things. So yeah, just a quick announcement. We'll be going into more videos about the gardens and this fall's projects and some of the other things that we've got going on soon. But at the moment, it's kind of cleanup, sorting, counting, getting things ready for next season, continuing to do biochar, and all of those things. So I know we've been absent recently, but it's been really nice to take a little breather between the physical labor and the social effort that comes from being an introvert trying to play extrovert. So I hope you all have been well. I appreciate you guys hanging out with us. We'll be back with more soon. But till next time, thanks for watching. Maybe thanks for ordering, and happy planting.